Hello everyone, and in today's drawing we'll do an black and white artwork using simple shapes and bold black areas. This is a positive and negative space drawing where the black and white parts work together to form everyday objects. So here we are making a jug on the right, a bowl on the left, an apple and a lemon. So here basically instead of using colors, we are going to focus on the black and white parts and see how can we make them in such a way that the drawing looks intimidating. And here there is one simple rule. So consider the jug and the circle. So the semicircle on the side of the jug is going to be black, so the jug's going to be white, like the area of the jug which is inside the circle. But the outside area where the background is white, the jug's going to be black. So that's how it works, and it's really easy. After drawing, you can just label the parts, like whichever parts have to be done with black, you can write a B, and the white parts can be labeled with a W. And yes, you can use any medium again, like you can use a black oil pastel or paint, but here I'm using a black permanent bold marker because I thought that was what would be best. So yeah, that's what I'm using. If you're enjoying the drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And tada! Our drawing is done. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Bye.